Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we'll be unboxing the ESR Hybrid Rebound Protective Tablet Case for the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. So I got this from Amazon for $45.99, $45.99 from Amazon. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this protective tablet case out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the ESR protective tablet case for the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. This can also apply to other different models that has the iPad Pro name. Here's the presentation of the product that is packed in. Simple presentation. Here are the sides of the box. Hashtag ESR Gear. You can follow them on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Nothing on this side. Here it says Tech Made Easier. And now let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So here is the back side of the box. Here it says in English, protective tablet case. And down here, here's what ESR stands for, Electronic Silk Road Corporation. Here is all the information. And here is the barcode if you want to look this up online. ESR Hybrid Case Compatible Rebound 360 series. Comes in black. And now let's go back in front and go ahead and unbox this thing. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Here we have a pull tab that locks this into place. Let's go ahead and pull this tab out. Wish I had fingernails. And yeah, here we go. Was able to pull it out. And once you pull it out, here's what you are going to get. You have the protective tablet case inside, all sealed up, ready to be unpacked here. And here we are. You can scan to get an upgraded 24-month warranty and exclusive access to newly launched products, or scan the QR code to help with any product issues. So that is the QR code to get what you need there. Just go ahead and remove the plastic sleeve and see what we have here. So here we have this side. For even more protection, check out our tempered glass screen protector. It is scratch resistant and responsive. I have the screen protector on my iPad Pro 12.9 inch M1. I think this also works for the M2 tablet series and up. Here's the lift tab, and here's what the interior of the tablet case looks like. Here is the quick start guide or installation process of how to use our case. Here's what it looks like in landscape mode. There are several ways to use this in landscape, which we'll be checking out soon. And here you can also use this in portrait mode. And what I like about this case while looking up online for iPad Pro tablet cases is that this is a detachable case. The cover is detachable from the case itself. Here on the back side of the quick start guide is you have to remove the film. Teaches you how to install the process. In here you can see that this case uses magnets to make this detachable cover from the actual tablet case. So here it is. Here is the detachable case, which the reason why I chose this case over any other else. Here you have this actual case here, which will remove the shrink. Here are the here you can see the magnets here on the rubber side. This is more like a plastic rubbery filler, TPU finish on the edges of the case here. Here you have this indented thing to charge your Apple Pencil. Here you have the cutouts for your speakers and your mic. Here are your cutouts for your speakers on the other side. And here's where you would charge your Apple Pencil wirelessly. So let's go ahead and remove the plastic shrink. So here's what it looked like with the plastic shrink wrap removed from the actual case. Here you have the cutout for your camera, and here you can see how this is a magnet here, so it attaches to the cover of the case. So this is kind of like a two-part case. So here's the cover. Here the interior of the cover. ESR Tech Made Easier. Minimal branding here. Here inside is a leather-like feel. And on the outside of the exterior of the case is more like a soft touch material being used on the exterior. Pretty nice material. Hope this holds up after a couple of months or even years. And here's the magnets working in action. Just detach it back to the cover and you have an actual case. So I have already installed my Apple iPad Pro 12.9 inch. Feels good in the hand. Here's the back side where you have the cutout for your dual camera lights and sensors on the back. Really love that design. And now let's go ahead and check this out. The cutouts evenly cut out. Here you have minimal branding on this side, and this is where you're going to hold your Apple Pencil. Here are your volume buttons and power button, along with more cutouts for the speakers. And now let's go ahead and open this up. Once you open the cover up, this has a magnetic field, which once you open up, it unlocks the iPad. As you can see right there, you can remove it from the case since it's a magnet and use the tablet itself with a case on, so you don't have to worry scratching the back side. Here's the back side with the case on, which has, you can see on the inside. Here, this is where the magnets are. That you can attach it back to the case. And here's the bottom side where you charge your iPad. Here's the other side where you would charge your Apple Pencil. And the Apple Pencil attaches to that side of the case. Here are your volume buttons and the power button. And here are your speakers. And here's the other side of the case. And yeah, so all the buttons and works on this case, no problems here. And this is how you would attach it back to the cover, which is held by a strong magnet. And now let's go ahead and view this in horizontal mode. And this is how we would hold, and this is how the cover would act like a stand for your iPad Pro 12.9 or even 11 inch. They also have a 11 inch model, which holds really well for the iPad. And yeah, so that will do it for the unboxing of this iPad Pro case. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below when you think about this case. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. I'll definitely see you on the next one.